Hi, let's do the bedtime routine with me today. So, it's mostly the skincare part of it that I'm going to do right now. So first things first, I'm just going to tie my hair up so that it's off my face. I'm just going to tie a bun with my scrunchie. My scrunchie is always on my wrist. So, yeah. Now that the hair's off the face, let's get started. So the first step is I first kind of wet my face. I'm just going to do that right now. So the first step is cleanser. That's my trusty. So I've wet my face, as you can see, and the first step is cleanser. I'm going to take 2 big pumps of it. Rub, rub, rub. And break down all the makeup. I don't use a double cleanse. This is all I got. I'm gonna just go, go, go. Oh my god, this is so soothing. I'm actually quite sleepy, but this kind of wakes me up. It's also like a nice massage for my face, getting all the blood circulation right started before my bed. I'm going to quickly wash this off and be back. I have cleansed off everything off my face from the first cleanse. Now I'm going to go in to the second one. As you can see, I've got off the first cleanse. Step 2, double cleanse. I'm going to go in with my trusty vitamin C one. Again, 2 pumps. There's something about me and 2 pumps. I rub it in my skin. I'm like I'm the, sorry, wrong superlative. I'm like the least gentle with my skincare. Well, if I have to be, I will. But yeah, cleansing, I'm just not. I'm gonna wash this off and be back. Yes, I'm ready. I have washed my face, double cleansed it, and it's pat dry. So, what's next? Oh, this weird thing keeps happening. Anyway, so double cleansed it. Now I'm gonna go in with my trusty Garnier micellar water. Yeah. Well, this is the skincare that works for me. I don't know what works for you, but this is my skincare, my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm just gonna take a big pump of it on my cotton pad, and I'm just gonna go in under my eye first. So what I tend to do is like just try to wipe off all the kajal, the excessive kajal that is left, mostly the under eyes. So I'm just gonna clean that up really nice and good. Yeah. And then the other side, the clean side, I use it. Oh, by the way, when I was double cleansing my face, I also washed my neck up. So yeah, that's gone too. Yeah. I'm not disgusting like that I'm, yeah. I mean, the makeup goes all the way, right? I did not put a lot of makeup today because I was just, running errands in the city, walking with my son, because the sun was shining. So yeah, I did clean up my neck off the camera and pat dry with a really nice scrubby towel. So yeah, that's that. Now you can see everything is gone off my face, and that's the bare me. Absolutely nothing on my skin. Next, I go in with my nighttime retinol serum. It's the retinol B3 serum, and I kind of just, if you see, it's just like this yellow thingy. So what I do is I just take a bit of it between my palms. Okay, rub, 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 and pat it into my skin. I do have a bit of breakouts right now because of my hormones. Yeah, because, well, if you don't know already yet, I'm a new mom and I gave birth to a lovely baby boy 2.5 months ago. And yeah, my hormones, it's the hormonal reaction that I've been getting on my skin. And yeah, that's the hormonal reaction I've been getting on my skin. That's life, right? So yeah, well, retinol serum, that's done. I try to keep my skincare very, very minimal right now because again, I'm a new mom. I have a full-time job. I have so many things to do, but most importantly, I'm quite lazy. Uh, but I also invest in really good products that work for me over time. And these are my closet staples that I use time and again. And yeah, I can't get rid of them anytime soon. So these are my most favorite products, my trusty ones. And I want to keep my skincare very, very simple. I'm not like a 10-20 step kind of a girl, but yeah, once in a while, if I feel like doing a sheet mask, I will do that. But on a daily basis for every day, it's pretty simple, good products, quality ingredients. I know everything that I'm putting on my face, everything I'm putting in my stomach, and these are the products I use. That's that. Next step, it's the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Balm. And again, a very trusty product. I use like this size of it, very little. And then I'm gonna rub it really well because it does leave a white cast. Because I have brown skin, I'm just gonna try to apply all over my skin. I tend to, when I'm going to bed, I tend to use it like a mask that I'm gonna sleep in with, use as a face mask. So I don't really care. And sometimes I even wear during the day. All I do is like rub it really well into my skin. Just because simply because I just, when I wake up in the morning, my skin, the way it has been feeling, I can't I can't not do it. So yeah, that's that. Yeah. Ooh, really massaging it. Also for the neck. Don't come at me, I know I'm doing it the other way. Gravity, oh my god, yeah. That's that. And the last step, well, not last, second to last, is this moisturizer, the Bioderma Atoderm. And again, it's one of my closet favorites, my staples. So this is the one again. This is like quite a small piece size I use. Rub, 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 rub. Just again going in. So what I do is I always try to do a wave like this outwards. So if there's any water retention in my skin, it's gone. And yeah, I have a nice looking, healthy, super healthy skin, baby skin. That's that. And now we are on the last step, at least for the skincare part, because after this I am going to brush my teeth. So yeah, and the last one is, well, my lip balm. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry. So yeah, I kind of just take my nail into it, just go over it. Yeah, and that's it. I'm ready to take my beauty sleep. Good night. Bye.